Hi everyone, this is Clarice Pasaol of Megawest Corporation. Right now we are here in the actual location of Makini West Township of Megawest. So this is the ultra high-end development here in Fort Bonifacio, Taguig. So right behind me you can see the Park Makini West. It's the newest ready for occupancy residential condominium here in Makini West Township. So if you're interested to see the actual one-bedroom unit here in Park Makini West, continue watching this video. So we are now here in the actual unit of the 48.5 square meter here in Park Mahindi West. So before we proceed, Park Mahindi West has its own individual electricity and water meter. So ito yung water meter natin for this unit. So let's go. One of the features here in Park Mahindi West is that all units here is equipped by your keycard lock set. So you can access your unit by a fingerprint. Ayan. Passcode or keycard. So, let's go. So, welcome to your one-bedroom unit. So, this is your video intercom. So, you have your own video intercom. It is actually connected to the concierge. So, if you have visitors downstairs, pwede mo silang, bago mo siya mapaakyat, tatanungin ka ng concierge for the permission. So, but if ever din magpapatawag ka ng maintenance, pwede mo din siyang magamit. So, right here, sa kabilang side, so another features here in Park Mahindi West is naka-motion sensor na siya. So, you have your provision for the washer, dryer, ayan. So, you have a large sink by a color, and granite top for our sink, and medyo malaki na din ang ating mirror. And of course, here you have included na din yung glass partitions. So it's your choice na kung lalagyan natin ng door. Included na din yung rain shower, complete sanitary fittings na. So let's go! This is your kitchen. On this part, you have your provision for the fridge. Ayan. So, saktong-sakto lang din sa taas. Another feature of this Park Mahindi West is na smart home ready na siya. So, you can control your electricity, your appliances through your mobile phone. And ito na din dito na din yung provision for the internet. Ayan. Nakikita niyo dito guys is included na sa deliverables. So, for this one, we have range hood by Ariston. For a one-bedroom unit, included na yung 2-burner cooktop. And of course, cabinets, overhead, and under-counter cabinets. Ayan. Okay. So, right here, as you can see, malaki na yung sink natin. Hindi siya typical deliverables, guys. So, si Park Mahindi West nag-offer ng larger sink. And of course, retractable. By front. So let's go. So this is your living area. As you can see, very spacious. So pwede kang maglagay na L-shape na sofa. So makakapaglagay pa din tayo na 4-seater dining table here. And dito na din ito yung pinaka-best part kung saan natin ilalagay yung television natin. Okay? Meron naman included na aircon, split type inverter in living and in the bedrooms. So this is your spacious bedroom. Queen size bed fit here. So very spacious pa. Pwede pa kayo lagay ng bedside table. And right here, meron na din siyang included na modular closet. Very nice. Here in this space, you can makeup, office table, and then, of course, all units and balconies here. You have the direct access from your bedroom to the balcony.
that's it for the actual tour of a one-bedroom unit here in Park Makati West. So if you're interested, this unit is still available on the market, and we also have another units available here, which is 35 square meter one bedroom and 38 square meter one bedroom unit here in Park Makati West. So great news, investors, as we offer 20% less discount for spot cash, and we also offer rent-own promo terms where you can move in for as low as 5% move-in down payment only. So if you're interested, my details are on the screen. You can message me and I will contact you shortly. Bye!